Hey everyone, today, I'm excited to share a quick and delicious recipe for fresh fruit salad with yogurt dressing. This salad is perfect for a quick breakfast, a healthy midday snack, or even as a light dinner dessert. Let's get started. The ingredients are simple and easy to find at your local supermarket. Your favorite fresh fruits, for example, sliced apples, sliced strawberries, banana slices, blueberries. Yogurt dressing. Make the dressing by mixing low-fat yogurt with a little honey and a pinch of cinnamon. First, prepare all your favorite fruits, chop them into bite-sized pieces, and place them in a large bowl. Next, make the yogurt dressing by combining low-fat yogurt with a little honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir until well mixed, pour the yogurt dressing over the prepared fruits in the bowl. Finally, gently toss until all the fruits are evenly coated with the yogurt dressing. Voila! Your fresh fruit salad with yogurt dressing is ready to enjoy. It's fresh, naturally sweet, and definitely healthy. You can also sprinkle some chopped almonds or walnuts on top for a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. This recipe can also be a fun activity to involve kids in selecting fruits and making the salad together. So, give this recipe a try at home and savor its deliciousness. Don't forget to share your experience with us. Happy cooking!